Hey, what's up everybody? This is Sage Lewis from Search Engine Guide, and this is what's in the news. This week in the news from Search Engine Land, we learned that Google AdWords is now in images. So check this out. They give an example. If you do a search for Blue Nile, you come over here to Google and you can see that show products from Blue Nile. Okay, watch. Pow! Look at all those listings with pretty pictures. That is revolutionary, because what is really happening there is when somebody clicks on that show products from Blue Nile, you're just taking over the real estate. It pushes everything down. All those products of yours are just taking over the front page of Google, and it's remarkable. If you do, I believe you can do diamonds too and see what Blue Nile is doing there as well. See here, diamonds from Blue Nile. You click it and it just throws them right down in there. That is a really interesting development from Google. And so if you are offering products, I highly recommend that you look into this, because that could be very useful for you. Also in the news, Search Engine Watch blog is reporting that online reviews are second only to word of mouth in purchase decisions. This is data released by Rubicon Consulting. They are saying that online reviews are second only to word of mouth when it comes to influencing purchasing decisions, but there's other interesting data to be found in this report. The web is the #2 resource for customer support information after user manuals, ranking ahead of calling the manufacturer and asking a dealer. And websites that Americans value most are, in order, Google, Yahoo, YouTube, Wikipedia, and Facebook. So that is some really telling information, because you just know now what Americans really like in their web media. And so there's, a lot of that information is just good to know when you are doing research. Yahoo blog, ysmblog.com, broke the news that you can now geotarget users at country, city, or zip code level. So perhaps you were doing some sort of geotargeting at Yahoo, maybe doing a lot of geotargeting at Google, but this is great news for targeting. If you are a Yahoo advertiser and you are catering to people in regions, I highly suggest you come over and check this out. You might also want to read the blog here at ysmblog.com and learn more about this, because this is a great addition to your Yahoo search campaigns. Also in the news, Microsoft is in the news. They've been doing some innovative things. First off, they've got a new forum here. It's the LiveSearch Webmaster Center forums. They have all sorts of cool topics, and it's been well used. Right off the bat, there's a lot of good threads going, a lot of replies are happening, and so that is outstanding news. So if you are a live advertiser, or you want to have some questions about live, you should definitely come over here. But wait, there's more. The LiveSearch Webmaster Center. Now this is a place that I have not used myself, but I will be learning more about it and reporting back to you as to what is going on there. But this is a lot like what is happening at the Google Webmaster Central, and it's great that Microsoft is doing something similar. You can get there at webmaster.live.com and check that out, because any kind of inside information you can have about how your site is faring in the search engines can give you a leg up over people that don't know this information. Search Engine Roundtable is reporting that Google Analytics adds features plus AdSense integration. So if you're an AdSense person making money off of Google AdSense, Google Analytics has been integrated with AdSense, but there are a lot of other great features coming out of Google Analytics: advanced segmentation, custom reports, motion charts, new account management dashboard, a data export API, and integrated reporting with AdSense, as I mentioned. They continue to want to be a world-class statistical analysis tool, and they do not disappoint. So keep an eye on this. If you're using Google AdWords or Analytics, definitely come over here and read up on these. Segmentation is a hugely important aspect to analysis, because you don't want to just group your entire website together as one entity and manage your conversions that way. You want to look at different segments by product or by category or by visitor or profile of a buyer. You segment that way so you understand in a greater detail what is working and what isn't. Not just that your site is or is not working. That is not a really useful bit of information, but advanced segmentation really could be a useful tool for you. Okay, everybody, those are the most important pieces of news I found for you this week. You keep coming right back here to Search Engine Guide as I give you the latest, most important web marketing news. Okay, everybody, this is Sage Lewis from Search Engine Guide, and that was what's in the news.